She walks around town with that pretty smile on her face.
Hi everybody, this is Cassie Doe. I go to a hair salon to do my hair, short pixie look. It's like a haircut for men, but it looks like a woman in the back. That's what you can describe like a pixie haircut. And it costs $15, but I give a $5 tip because she does a better job than anybody to fix my hair. I went to other salons and they didn't do so well with my haircut. It made it look funny, but I will show you where the location is and the name of the salon. Thank you very much.